So, do you really want to speak English? So, this video is for you. Today, I will be sharing 3 tips for the beginners, and these 3 tips are mine. I have implemented this and I have get the result, so I am here to share that 3 tips. The first tip is that stay out of your comfort zone. Come out of your comfort zone. You know what is our comfort zone? Our comfort zone is speaking Hindi. We speak Hindi a lot because that is very comfortable and we have learned it from our childhood, but speaking English is little bit tough because we are learning now. And trust me guys, as a beginner, I have also faced that situation. I was not able to speak a single sentence, but now I'm improving day by day. I'm not saying that I'm perfect, but I'm improving day by day. So the first step is that stay out of your comfort zone. Try to speak English. What comes on your mind, just speak it, no matter it is correct or not, and don't think about the grammar. Okay, everything is not about grammar. And the second tip is start with the simple sentences. Don't start with the complex sentences. Start with simple sentences that like that. I am writing like this is simple sentences. So start speaking with simple sentences like that. This is a pen, that is white, this is whiteboard, that is mobile phone, this is my copy. Like this, you have to start with simple sentences. And the third and most important, which I have implemented, be a joker. Joker does not mean that you have to dress up like a joker and you have to entertain the audience. No, be a joker means that when you will speak incorrect English in front of people, in front of your friends, in front of your family members, they are going to laugh on you. They are going to make fun of you, but you don't have to take it seriously. You have to take it in a light way, and you have to keep on speaking. You have to keep on improving. And trust me, guys, after some days, when you will be able to speak better English, they are going to respect you and they are going to trust your things. Okay, so these are the 3 tips. So if you are new to the channel, like, share, subscribe, and stay connected for the next video.